How to do a full data extraction from ChatGPT. If you want to perform a full data extraction from ChatGPT, it is fairly simple for us to do so. So what we do for that is we simply launch the ChatGPT app and make sure that we're logged into our account. Because ChatGPT has so much of your data, you want to extract all of what it has. First of all, tap this little two lines or the menu icon located towards the top left of the screen, and from here again, from the top right hand side, tap on this profile icon. Now when you tap on that profile icon, you want to scroll a couple of steps below until you find the option called data controls and tap on it. Now from data controls, again, one of the options, the most important option of this video, is to simply export the data. So what you do now is tap the export data option, and it will ask that your account details and conversations will be included, and the data will be sent to your registered email. The download link will expire 24 hours after you receive it, and processing may take some time. You'll be notified when it's ready. So just tap the export data option and it will just go ahead and collect any data that you have. It will send you in your email, which you can download and review it. This way you can do a full data extraction from ChatGPT. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.